It's a good chair, very modern yet with a touch of wood tones. The packaging is somewhat problematic, some seats got scratched during shipping. These chairs are perfect for this year's at-home schooling. They were really easy to assemble, they seem sturdy enough to hand my busy boys, and the color is a nice warm gray. My 14-year-old daughter put this together. So far, she's happy with it. It's solid. The legs might look spindly, but the way they attach to the chair makes them super sturdy. Simple assembly. I found that this chair is very plastic-like in its structure, but will offer easy cleaning for a messy eater. I selected this specific item for my garage table. It's perfect for gathering in a space where it's high traffic. This chair is trendy, clean lines, and the design is still modern with the gray and tan legs. Assembly literally took 10 minutes. Worth the value, very sturdy. Click link in description for more reviews.